Hello everyone, this is Shrawan Sir, making maths simple for you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Karna Maths Academy. Today's topic is trigonometry. Dear students, today in this video we are going to prove one of the most important questions from trigonometry, prove that, which is frequently asked in the examinations. Here we go. Dear students, the question is prove that sin 18 degree plus cos 18 degree is equal to root 2 times cos 27 degree. So dear students, LHS is equal to sin 18 plus cos 18 degree. So now we are going to change sin and cos both into same ratio. So we are going to change into both trigonometrical ratio, we are going to change into sin, so that we can use the formula of sin c plus sin d. So cos 18 degree we can write as, dear students, cos 18 degree it lies in the first quadrant. We can express any angle of the first quadrant in the form of 90 minus theta. So 90 minus 72 degree. Dear students, 90 minus 72 degree will get 18 degree. So 18 degree we have changed in the form of 90 minus theta. So dear students, we know that cos 90 minus theta, the trigonometrical ratio of cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. That means cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So cos 90 minus 72 degree we can write as sin 72 degree. So dear students, now both the trigonometrical ratio are same. So at first we have to make both the trigonometrical ratio same in order to use the formula of transformation of trigonometric formula. So dear students, now it is in the form of sin c plus sin d. We know that the formula of sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So 2 sin c plus, c means 18 degree and d means 70 degree. So dear students, according to the formula of sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Dear students, let us suppose the bigger angle as c and a smaller angle as d. Then it will be easy for the calculation. So sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. 72 degree minus 18 degree divided by 2. So by using the formula of sin c plus sin d, we have got 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Now let's do the calculation. 18 plus 72 will get 90 degree and 90 by 2 means 45 degree times cos, dear students, 72 minus 18 degree we get 4, that means we'll get 54 degree, and 54 degree divided by 2 will get 27 degree. So dear students, cos 54 divided by 2 we get 27 degree. So dear students, if we take the difference of 72 and 18 degree, we get 54. 54 divided by 2 we get cos 27, because we need, in the answer also we need cos 27. Now we know that, dear students, we know that the value of sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2 and cos 27 degree keeping as it is, equals to, now 2, if we divide by root 2, 2 means we can add root 2 times root 2, dear students, and divided by root 2. So dear students, 2 we can write as root 2 times root 2 and divide by root 2 as it is into cos 27 degree. Now root 2 we can cancel, then we get root 2 cos 27 degree. So dear students, so this is the proof of this question. So at first we have to change both the trigonometrical ratio into the same trigonometric ratio. That means if one is given sin, other is given cos, we have to make both either sin or both we have to change into cos. Then only we can use the formula of transformation of trigonometric formula. So dear students, so we have written cos 18 degree as cos 90 minus 72 degree because 18 degree it lies in the first quadrant. The size of the angles in the first quadrant are less than 90 degree. That means we can write in the form of 90 minus theta. So 18 degree we can write 90 minus 72 because 90 minus 72 is 18 degree. Now cos 90 minus theta. So according to the formula, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Now both the trigonometric ratio are in terms of sine. So now we can apply the formula of transformation of trigonometric formula. That means the formula of sum into product. So sin 18 plus sin 72, it is in the form of sin c plus sin t. The formula of sin c plus sin t is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So here the bigger angle we have supposed as c and the smaller angle, that means 18 degree, we have supposed d for the easy calculation. Now sin c plus sin d means 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Then after calculation we get 18 plus 72 means 90. 90 divided by 2 means 45 degree. Similarly 72 minus 18 we get 54 degree, and 54 divided by 2 we get cos 27 degree. So dear students, in RHS we need root 2 times cos 27 degree. So already we have got cos 27 degree. So this term will keep as it is. And we know that the value of sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So 2 times 1 by root 2 cos 27 degree keeping as it is. Now 2 we can write as root 2 times root 2. So that root 2 will cancel. And at last we get root 2 cos 27 degree, which is RHS, which is RHS. Hence it is proved. Thanks for watching. Next time we'll meet with the new content. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.